Hey everyone, it's your favorite channel here. You know me, always on the move, chasing adventures, rain or shine. Today, we're on the beautiful island of Koh Samui, and guess what? It's pouring. But hold up, don't hit that rewind button just yet. We're about to dive into the top 10 things you can do on a rainy day in Koh Samui. That's right, we're not letting a little rain stop us. We're gonna turn this frown upside down and find the hidden gems, the unexpected thrills, the things that make this island paradise even more magical when the clouds roll in. So grab your raincoats, your sense of adventure, and maybe even a Chang beer or two, because we're about to unlock the secrets of Koh Samui on a rainy day. This is gonna be epic. Alright, first up, let's talk about the markets. Rain or shine, the markets in Koh Samui are a sensory explosion. We're talking vibrant colors, exotic smells, the sounds of vendors hawking their wares. It's a whole experience, a world away from your typical shopping mall. And the best part? You can find some seriously unique treasures here. Imagine this. You're walking through the market. The rain is drumming a beat on the tarps overhead. The air is thick with the scent of spices and incense. You weave through the crowds, past stalls overflowing with fresh fruits you've never even seen before, intricate handicrafts, and clothes that scream island vibes. And the food, oh man, the food! Steaming bowls of noodles, sizzling sauté skewers, fresh coconut water sipped straight from the fruit. So grab a bite, soak up the atmosphere, and let the energy of the market wash over you. But remember, haggling is part of the game here. Trust me, you'll walk away with some amazing finds and some even better stories. Okay, so maybe braving the markets in the pouring rain isn't your thing. I get it. But don't worry, Koh Samui's got you covered. Let's head over to the Samui Aquarium and Tiger Zoo. First up, the aquarium. This isn't your average aquarium. It's home to colorful reef fish and giant sea turtles. Walk through a tunnel surrounded by sharks and stingrays, and then there's the Tiger Zoo. Committed to conservation, it provides a safe environment for tigers. See these incredible creatures up close and personal. It's an experience you won't forget. Sometimes the best thing to do on a rainy day is to just embrace the chill vibes. And what better way to do that than with a luxurious spa day? Koh Samui is teeming with spas offering everything from traditional Thai massages to high-end beauty treatments. Picture this. You step into a tranquil oasis, the air thick with the scent of lemongrass and essential oils. Soft music plays in the background, and the gentle sound of rain outside only adds to the peaceful ambiance. Maybe you opt for a traditional Thai massage where a skilled therapist will knead out all the knots in your muscles. Or perhaps you'd prefer a soothing aromatherapy oil massage where fragrant oils are gently massaged into your skin. And don't forget about the facials. Koh Samui is known for its abundance of fresh, natural ingredients. But it's not just about the treatments themselves. It's about taking a break from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, about disconnecting from the outside world and reconnecting with yourself. So go ahead, treat yourself. You deserve it. Alright, enough relaxing, let's get those creative juices flowing. What better way to immerse yourself in Thai culture than by learning to cook some of their incredible cuisine? Imagine walking into a bustling kitchen, the air alive with the scent of lemongrass, chilies, and ginger. You're greeted with a warm smile and a refreshing glass of iced tea, and then it's time to get cooking. Learn the secrets of Thai cooking from experienced chefs and master iconic dishes. And the best part? You get to eat your creations. Gather around and savor the fruits of your labor. Let's face it, there's something magical about a rainforest after the rain. The air is clean and fresh, the foliage is lush and vibrant, and the sound of water dripping from the leaves creates a symphony of tranquility. And there's no better place to experience this magic than at the secret Buddha Garden, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of Koh Samui's jungle. Imagine this. You hike through a lush rainforest, the air thick with the scent of damp earth and exotic flowers. The path winds its way through towering trees and past cascading waterfalls, the sound of the rain a gentle backdrop to the symphony of nature. And then, you stumble upon a clearing. And there it is, the secret Buddha Garden. Statues of Buddha in various poses of meditation and enlightenment are scattered throughout the garden, each one seemingly at peace with its surroundings. It's a place of peace and contemplation, a sanctuary from the outside world. Take your time exploring the garden, allowing yourself to be enveloped by the tranquility of the place. The secret Buddha Garden is a reminder that peace and beauty can be found even in the most unexpected of places. Okay, sometimes you just need a break from all the adventure, right? Sometimes the best way to spend a rainy day is curled up indoors with a good movie. And luckily, Koh Samui has got you covered. Head over to the local cinema and lose yourself in the latest blockbuster. There's something about the experience of watching a movie on a giant screen, surrounded by strangers all sharing the same experience, that just can't be replicated at home. Imagine this. You settle into a plush seat, popcorn in hand, the lights dim, and the screen flickers to life. The outside world fades away and you're transported to another time, another place, another reality. For the next 2 hours, nothing else matters but the story unfolding before your eyes. Whether you're into action-packed thrillers, side-splitting comedies, or heart-wrenching dramas, there's a movie out there for you. And who knows, you might even discover a new favorite genre. So go ahead, grab your friends, grab some popcorn, and settle in for a movie marathon. It's the perfect way to spend a rainy day. Alright, let's dive into something a little more cultural. If you're looking for a way to stimulate your mind and escape the rain, look no further than the Koh Samui Museum. This hidden gem is a haven for art lovers, showcasing the vibrant and diverse art scene of Koh Samui and beyond. Imagine stepping into a bright, airy space, the walls adorned with a kaleidoscope of colors and textures. From traditional Thai art to contemporary installations, the Koh Samui Museum offers a fascinating glimpse into the creative spirit of the island. You might find yourself captivated by intricate Buddhist artwork, the details so fine they seem to shimmer in the light. Or perhaps you'll be drawn to a bold, abstract painting, its colors and forms evoking a sense of movement and energy. The Koh Samui Museum is all about interaction and engagement. You'll find interactive displays that invite you to explore the creative process, workshops where you can try your hand at different art forms, and even opportunities to meet and chat with local artists. It's a reminder that even on a rainy day, there's always room for a little creativity and inspiration. Okay, let's be honest, sometimes you just need to blow off some steam, rain or shine. And what better way to do that than with a good old-fashioned bowling night? It's the perfect activity for groups, a chance to unleash your competitive spirit and have some laughs along the way. Imagine this. You walk into a bowling alley, the air filled with the sounds of crashing pins and excited chatter. The lanes are glowing under the black lights, and the music is pumping. You lace up your bowling shoes, grab a ball, and get ready to roll. There's something inherently satisfying about sending that ball hurtling down the lane, watching it connect with the pins, and hearing the satisfying crash as they scatter. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-timer, bowling is a game that anyone can enjoy. And the best part, it's not really about the score. It's about the camaraderie, the trash talk, the shared moments of triumph and defeat. So gather your crew, head to the nearest bowling alley, and let the good times roll. Alright, adrenaline junkies, this one's for you. Just because it's raining outside doesn't mean you have to put your adventurous spirit on hold. Koh Samui is home to some awesome indoor rock climbing gyms, offering a thrilling and challenging way to test your limits, rain or shine. Imagine this. You walk into a massive indoor climbing gym, the walls towering above you, covered in colorful handholds and footholds. The air buzzes with energy as climbers of all levels navigate the challenging routes. You strap on your harness, chalk up your hands, and get ready to climb. Indoor rock climbing is a full-body workout that will test your strength, agility, and problem-solving skills. As you ascend the wall, you'll need to think strategically, planning your moves and trusting your grip. It's a mental and physical challenge that will leave you feeling exhilarated and accomplished. So if you're looking for a way to challenge yourself, push your limits, and experience the thrill of climbing, head to an indoor rock climbing gym. Okay, we've explored the markets, braved the zoo, even scaled some indoor mountains. Now it's time to unwind and give your body some much-needed TLC. And what better way to do that than with a traditional Thai massage? Imagine this. You step into a dimly lit room, the air thick with the scent of aromatic oils. Soft, soothing music plays in the background, inviting you to relax and let go. You lie down on a comfortable mat, and a skilled therapist begins to work their magic. Unlike a typical oil massage, a traditional Thai massage involves a combination of stretching, acupressure, and gentle rocking motions. The therapist uses their hands, elbows, and even their feet to apply pressure to specific points on your body, releasing tension, improving circulation, and restoring balance. As the therapist works their way around your body, you'll feel your muscles loosen, your mind quiet, and a sense of deep relaxation wash over you. It's like a reset button for your body and mind. So go ahead, treat yourself to the ultimate rainy day reset. Your body will thank you for it. So there you have it, folks. Rain or shine, Koh Samui has got you covered. From exploring bustling markets and encountering incredible wildlife to indulging in spa treatments and unleashing your inner artist, there's something for everyone on this magical island. Don't let a little rain dampen your spirits. Embrace the unexpected, seek out the hidden gems, and create your own adventure. Koh Samui is a place where you can truly disconnect from the everyday and reconnect with yourself, with nature, and with the simple joys of life. So what are you waiting for? Book that ticket, pack your bags, and get ready to experience the magic of Koh Samui, rain or shine. And hey, if you do find yourself caught in a downpour, just remember, adventure awaits even in the raindrops.